And what we have here? What we have here is 9mm ammunition that I can gather from my place. Kasi sabi nila, I have a Glock 17 Generation 5. And first, we're gonna check. It's empty. Nothing inside. No magazine, it's empty. Nothing inside. Very safe. Clear. Check again. Clear. Point it in the safe direction. Fire. Clear. This is a Glock 17 Generation 5. Halosan 508. Halosan PID. And kaya ko ginawa itong video na ito kasi marami akong narinig sa mga tropa ko na yung Glock 17 daw namimili ng bala, which is hindi ko pa na-experience at gusto kong i-check on to. I fired this one more than 1,000 rounds and hindi ako nagka-problema. Nagka-problema ako ng maliit lang, siguro mga 2 rounds. Yung nagpalit ako ng spring 11 pounds, tapos nagpalit ako ng Glock Performance Trigger. So yung Glock Performance Trigger, ayaw niya ng 11 pounds string. So binalik ko yung original na 16 or 17 pounds spring, yung stock ng spring ng Glock 17 Gen 5, yung original niya na naka-install. And only the Glock Performance Trigger binalik ko, wala na ako naging problema kahit na reload. So wala akong problema dito. Hindi ito namimili ng bala, pero gusto ko pa rin i-try. So I try to buy every 9mm bullets that I can find, and I cannot believe I cannot find in my city 50 grain or 100 grain 9mm ammunition. So but we will try. So before going to the firing range, I want to show it to you. We're gonna fire the blazer. Of course, I'm not gonna spend everything. Ammunition is very expensive now. So we're just gonna fire like 10 rounds in a blazer. This ammunition is blazer is made in where this one is made in a freaking US of A. What this one? This is a brass case center fire cartridge. Here. So it says made in the US of A. So blazer, we're gonna fire this blazer made in the US of A. And we're also gonna fire the Fiuchi, 10 rounds in Fiuchi. And this one is Fiuchi, I think is made in Italy. And we're also gonna find this 124 grain PMC ammunition. This one is also made in the USA. Yep, Texas, USA. Precision made cartridges, and it says 110 1110 feet per second. So we're gonna fire that one, and we're gonna also try the Magtech FMJ full metal jacket. Magtech is made in, I think this one is made in Brazil. Yeah, made in Brazil. So another 10 rounds in Magtech and 10 rounds in Federal. This is a synthetic FMJ, also made in the US of A, 124 grain also. So we're also gonna try this one. And this is my favorite cartridge. It never failed me down. Armscore. Tangkilikin ang sariling atin. This is a good ammunition, all-around ammunition. Made in the Philippines, proudly made in the Philippines. So, maybe 50 rounds on it. And we're also gonna fire the jacketed hollow point from Armstrong. And the Teflon reload. This is a reload. So, I don't have to explain more. Reload ito. So, before heading to the range, guys, ito yung ipuputok natin. At I am sure it's my Glock 17 Gen pad is gonna eat everything. Kahit anong ilagay mo dito, kinakain niya. Siguro, it will be different from the previous barrel. This one is, they call it Marksman barrel. Marksman barrel can, you can fire a lot of reload Teflon without causing any problems to the barrel. Just make sure you clean it. So guys, let's go to the range. So guys, if you wanna know kung kakainin lahat ito ng Glock 17 Generation 5, please subscribe. And I will also show it to you, itong reload. Ipuputo ko ito ng mag dump or mabilisan, nakalabit. And I will show it to you kung gaano ka accurate yung Glock. So guys, please subscribe para malaman nyo. And part 2 ng video nito sa range. Mabuhay ang Pilipino!